Hi! In front of me is Xiaomi POCO M3 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can add screen lock on this device. Firstly, open Settings and scroll down. Now you need to select Passwords and Security, click on Screen Lock and pick one of those locked methods, pattern, PIN or password. I will go with pattern, so I have to click on it, wait 5 seconds and click Got it. Now enter your login method, repeat it and choose Confirm at the bottom right corner. Over here you can choose Add to add your fingerprint by following the instructions. I don't want to though, so I will go with Cancel, and now when I turn off my screen, then turn it back on, I can see that pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!